Nidhi Company penalized for violating minimum shareholding rules. So, Nidhi Company penalized for allotting less than 10 shares to depositors. MCA compounding order we'll explain in detail. Welcome back to our channel. We are discussing an important compounding order passed by RD, Southern Region, Ministry Corporate Affairs, MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Chennai, involving Thiru Kudanthai Nidhi Limited. This case highlights a very common compliance mistake made by several Nidhi companies. Failure to allot minimum number of shares required to deposit holders under the Nidhi Rules 2014. Although the violation may appear in minor, the company and its directors were required to pay the total compounding fee 1.55 lakh. Let us understand the legal provision, the violation, compounding proceedings, and the lesson every Nidhi company should learn from this order. If you see the background of the case, the matter was filed before RD Southern Region Chennai under Section 441 of Companies Act 2013, seeking compounding of an offence committed by Thiru Kudanthai Nidhi Limited and its managing director and 6 other directors. They filed an application. The compounding, the company voluntarily admitted the default and requested compounding of the offence. So we'll understand what is the Nidhi Company. Section 406 of Companies Act 2013 defines a Nidhi Company as a company recognized by the central government as a mutual benefit society. The primary objective of Nidhi Company is accepting deposits from members, lending to members, promoting thrift and saving among the members. Unlike ordinary finance companies, Nidhi operate only the mutual benefit of their members. Legal requirement under Rule 7, Sub-Rule 3 of Nidhi Rules. One of the basic requirements under Rule 7, Sub-Rule 3 is regarding shareholding by depositors. The rule states that every Nidhi shall allot to each deposit holder minimum requirement at least 10 shares or shares having a value of 100 rupees. So there is a relaxation for saving account holders and recurring deposit holders. The requirement is at least one equity share of 10 rupees. This provision ensures that every depositor becomes the member and participates in the ownership structure of the Nidhi. Here, the violation while processing the company's NDH4 application, the ministry observed that the company had allotted shares to certain members less than 10 equity shares or the shares worth less than 100 rupee. This was direct violation Rule 7 Sub Rule 3 of Nidhi Rules 2014. How was the violation detected? The violation came to the light during the scrutiny from NDH4. NDH4 is filed by Nidhi Company for declaration as a Nidhi Company, updation of Nidhi status. During examination of records submitted through NDH4, MCA identified the non-compliance. This shows that regulatory scrutiny today is becoming increasingly data-driven and technology-based. ROC Chennai findings. ROC Chennai submitted a report and confirmed that the key observations. The offence was the first offence committed by the company. No prosecution had been launched. ROC had no objection to compounding. So these factors help the applicant to seek a lenient view from RD. So company's defense was they stated that the default was unintentional, no mala fide intention. Lapse was neither willful nor deliberate. So the applicants requested RD to take lenient view and compound the offence. Hearing before the regional director, the matter was heard on 6th January 2026 and 5th March 2026. During the hearing, the authorized representative reiterated the submissions and requested compounding of the offence. So, compounding fee imposed after considering the facts of the case, ROC report, nature of the violation, and first time default. Considering all these things, RD imposed the for compound fee on the company 40,000, MD 25,000. We can see here, and other directors, each director 15,000. So, total coming to 1.55 lakh. So, directors also personally penalize. The post compounding compliance, the RD also directed to intimate to ROC and filing INC 28 within 30 days. Here, the practical lesson for Nidhi companies: verify shareholders before accepting deposits. Most important. Thank you. We have two channels, RR Corporates and other channel, RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you will not miss my latest videos. Thank you.